Vlogmas day 20. Can you believe it? We are 20 days in of daily vlogging. Yeah, you're welcome. I'm sorry you've put up with me for 20 days straight. Usually there's like a planner video in between, although I did upload a plan with me last night, as in it would have been up on the 19th. Although I may have published after midnight. I don't know. I need to figure out, so I know how to do it, I just gotta do it, I should say. I need to turn down my quality of video. I know, like, that's so melodramatic, but I think the fact that I'm exporting in 30 frames per second makes my videos huge. I mean, I love that I do high quality videos, and I guess iMovie, I never exported them greater than 30 frames per second, which is fine. Like, for what I do, it's perfectly fine. But now that in fact I'm doing 60, because I record in 60 and I'm exporting, they are so huge, like so huge. So I think I need to either bring it down or just plan better, because my videos are huge. Like the, whatchamacallit, what are they called? The Winter Plannerland one, like the hour-long one was 80 gigs. 80. Thankfully I have a terabyte in my daddy Mac, so I am like able to handle it. But even the fact that I'm editing so many vlogs, like, I don't know if you guys know this, in iMovie and or in Final Cut Pro, which is what I edit in, that you actually have your data saved, so it's on your hard drive twice. So you actually have to delete it in iMovie and or Final Cut Pro, whatever software you're editing in. Otherwise, it will stay and eat up your space. So every time I edit a vlog, like on my my little Retina book, it would literally eat all the space because they were so big. So I decided to just pretty much edit on Daddy Mac, which is fine because he's huge and I don't ever run into space issues. Well, I am now because of all the editing. So I'm having to go through and delete so many different things, which is fine. But I am actually headed to my parents' house. Well, actually that's a lie. Well, it's sort of a lie. I'm headed to Kaufman Tire to get my oil change, and then I'm headed to my parents' house. We are doing early Christmas because I'm celebrating with Mike's family, so it kind of sucks that, you know, we have to split holidays. It was really, really, really great that we were able to do it for so many years together, because they lived in Georgia for 10 years, I think. Well, they lived in Georgia longer, but last when we were dating. So they had been in Georgia forever, and now they were going to Florida for Christmas with them. So it'll be fun. I love his family so much. So, like, either way, we have a good Christmas, but like every time we celebrate with their family, I always feel like it doesn't feel like Christmas with my family, because it's true, it's not Christmas with my family. We're doing Christmas today, the 20th. So, I mean, I don't know. Even although last year we did Christmas with my family, and I missed Christmas with his family. So the fact that we used to do it together for so long, because they do Christmas Eve and we do Christmas. So it was like the perfect like setup. So like our big meal was on Christmas and their big meal was on Christmas Eve. So literally it was like the picture perfect scenario. So whether I'm doing Christmas with my family, I miss his family, and then vice versa. Obviously, if I do Christmas with his family, I miss my family. So there's no easy win unless they move back to Georgia, which they'll never. right, I'm back in the car. Just got my car back. So it took about an hour and a half, not too bad. But my face, do you guys see? I literally don't understand. I use Cetaphil. I don't put anything on my face because of things like this. And I'm wondering if Cetaphil is giving me just like these bumps, or just the weather, or what. It could be anything. I have no idea what it is. So I literally am ready for bed. I got Chick-fil-A for everybody. So I picked up Chick-fil-A for dinner for everybody. Lunchtime. It is 12:36. It is lunchtime. So I just picked up lunch for everybody, and going back to my parents' house because it's like 3 miles away. Not too bad. And we're just going to eat and be merry. That's it. I don't know. I think I would have the tour of like the family, like the decorations. My mom always goes all out. She does an amazing job for Christmas, so I'm excited. So yeah, that's all that I have going on. So I'll see you guys later.
This mine's just an envelope. I made the envelopes, so it's a lot less work.
Oh wow.
Oh no, man down.
Well, isn't this cute for little addresses?
Well, look at the cover of it.
I win the internet today.
And a lot of money on a nice cooler.
2 out of 7.
So take a picture of this.
So I cleaned out our fridge yesterday, the day before. Let's see if it'll focus. Look at how empty it is. We have leftovers. More leftovers. No food will go bad when we're out of town, so, because we don't have any. I legitimately just want to crawl in bed and watch Supergirl. It is 9:34, but I really need to edit my Santa nails because I haven't, oh, I have the hiccups, done those, and those need to go up before the other ones. I edited these guys, which are fine, but these like can be used anytime, where the Santa ones need to go up. So I need to quickly edit those. I want to be done by 10, so I'm giving myself 25 minutes. They don't have to be uploaded and edited, like it just needs to be edited and like exported. So that's what I'm gonna do. I should edit some vlogs, but I'm not going to, and it is what it is. I really don't want to do anything, but I do want to do this, like get it done. So I guess I need to just do it. So yeah, instead of avoiding it, do it. So 9:57 and it's exporting. I know it doesn't seem like super dark, but it's definitely nighttime. So yes, I'm going to let that export. I'm sure it'll be like 25 gigs, which is fine. And then I will upload it tomorrow. I'm probably gonna do the default photo tonight as well. So it's literally just, I schedule that one and then I schedule these guys, which are so pretty. They're a little short, but it's okay. I'm getting used to it. I actually don't necessarily mind it. Just a little bit longer, I think. Just a little bit. So I'm gonna end it here and go to bed. So have a good night, guys. And I will see you tomorrow. When you actually see it, who knows? Bye.